So it seems like almost every day I'm getting emails from drivers who get into accidents while driving for Uber and Lyft, and honestly, they just don't know what to do, what the next steps they should take are. Well, you could be the best driver in the world. Unfortunately, you can't control what other people are doing out on the road. And so what that means is the more you drive, unfortunately, the more likely you are to get into an accident. Well, today I've got Bryant Greening. He's a lawyer from LegalRideshare who specializes in working with rideshare drivers, and he's actually going to explain what you need to do and what you need to know in case you get into a serious accident while driving for Uber and Lyft. All right, Bryant, you ready? Take it away.
Hi, Harry. Bryant here from the Legal Rideshare Lounge. I understand that some of your followers have some questions about what to do in a serious accident. We're here today to help. What we want to do is we want to paint a scenario of a situation that you may find yourself in. Imagine you're driving, you've got a passenger in the back seat, you're on a main freeway. All of a sudden, somebody rear-ends you, sending the car into a tailspin, you lose control and crash. What do you do? The first thing you want to do is make sure that everybody in your vehicle is okay. You need to check yourself and your passenger for injuries because that's going to dictate your next steps. If there are injuries, if you feel pain, or if your passenger feels pain, you need to call an ambulance right away because everybody's well-being is obviously the most important. You want to make sure that you call the police to come to the scene immediately. The reason why police are so important is that they're going to document this event. They're going to collect evidence, take pictures, take measurements, talk to witnesses, and collect witness information. Information that's collected at the scene is vital to your insurance claim and potential lawsuit down the road. You do not want to admit fault, and you really should avoid apologizing because those facts and those statements come into the police report and indicate fault. When the police arrive at the scene and they take measurements and they take statements, they're going to be the ones who determine who caused the accident. Down the road, when the lawyers and the insurance companies collect all that information and review all the facts, they're going to assign fault. You don't need to do yourself a disservice by making those assessments for them. If you're feeling pain after an accident, it's important that you tell the police where those pains are and how you're feeling so that those facts can be documented in the accident report. A lot of people after an accident are in shock, there's a lot of adrenaline flowing, but you need to make sure that you're being honest with yourself about how you feel. There's a line in every police report that says whether or not a driver indicated injury. It's better if you are injured that line says, yes, he or she did, because that's going to be used as evidence down the road. If you need an ambulance, don't be a hero. Take the ambulance. Get to the hospital, get checked out. If they end up saying that it's no big deal, you're really okay, well then no harm, no foul. What they may find is something more serious, and then you're starting your treatment right away, you're getting medical documentation right away, and that's going to make for a stronger insurance claim or lawsuit down the road. In any injury claim, it's important to contact an injury lawyer. Legal Rideshare is the only law firm in the US that's entirely dedicated to Uber and Lyft accident and injury claims. We're the ones who are going to be able to sort through all of the insurance information, who's going to protect you for the damages that you sustained. When we talk about damages, we're talking about the cost of your medical treatment. We're talking about wage loss, pain and suffering, temporary or permanent disability. The reason to call a lawyer is that we're going to add value to each one of those elements of damages that unfortunately insurance companies don't always provide to non-attorneys. Harry, I hope this helps you and your followers. If you ever need anything or ever have any future questions, please call Legal Rideshare. Consultations are always free and I'm always happy to chat.